So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we're going to introduce to you this awesome 1959 Volkswagen Sandrail. And this Sandrail comes to us finished in that awesome metallic red paint, the period correct chrome wheels, and this started its life as a 1959 Volkswagen Beetle, converted into a Baja Bug, and then in 1985 converted into the Sandrail that you see here. And so it's powered by the Type 1 1200cc four-cylinder with an 88 millimeter bore kit. And it's not just a really nice looking Sandrail, it's a great driving car. So we'll grab you the camera, we'll go for a test drive. You want a video of you coming in?
Huh? Probably more dignified than you getting in.
Hey, wait for the big boy to get strapped in here.
Alright, so now that I look like Rich Rhodes, let's go.
So now we're ready to take that awesome 1959 Sandrail for a test drive. Now its title is the 1959 because this rail started its life as a 59 Volkswagen Beetle.
Right.
It was brought out east here from California in 1985, and then it was a Baja Beetle at that time, and then in 1989 he purchased the Invader frame chassis and converted, kind of scavenged his Baja Bug and turned it into this Sandrail that we're in today.
Absolutely.
And we're pretty much going to do our talking in two spots.
Yeah.
We opted not to put the Super Trap on the exhaust because we like it louder and we like the performance. So, but it's a great Sandrail.
It is.
I mean, it's planted on the road, drives easy, it's got plenty of power. I mean,
yeah, no play in the steering, no shimmies, no death wobbles. I mean, it's a very well put together Sandrail. It
is, and I mean it presents and drives, better than like a 40-year-old build. Not quite, but
We're
almost 40-year-old build. But the motor was rebuilt about 18 years ago.
Yes.
And it's 1200cc Type 1 with an 88 millimeter bore kit.
Right.
So you got plenty of horsepower for this very light Sandrail.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's definitely very tight, and as you'll hear, you'll see. But yeah, going down the road, you're not gonna be able to hear. It's all wood noise and that awesome exhaust note.
Yeah. So, and you do have 3 gauges. You got a charging gauge, oil pressure, and tachometer. They all 3 appear to work. You do have a cigarette lighter as well that you can plug in, charge your cell phone or
GPS speedo.
You're definitely not going to listen to tunes without that Super Trap on there, but it is going to get a little loud. But this Sandrail has been long time ownership, and it was really part of their family. He talked about when he was building it, his kids helping him with small details on the Sandrail, and it definitely has been part of their family for quite a few years.
Absolutely.
And so it's not one that's just been thrown together and abused. This has been very well maintained.
Absolutely.
As old as the paint is and everything, it's very well maintained.
Yeah, the condition of everything throughout, the paint, the seats, I mean, everything is, say, well above average for almost a 40-year-old build. So,
right,
yeah.
Of any kind of car.
Absolutely.
And it does come with its own trailer.
Tow bar.
Thank you, Tyler. So anyway, enough said. We're going to go ahead and fire up that Volkswagen drivetrain, and it starts it's just like a Volkswagen should, cold or hot. It starts very easy. So that great Hurst shifter, and it shifts into all gears very easy. So let's go for a ride. You do just have rear brakes, so you definitely want to give yourself plenty of time to stop.
Yeah, absolutely. They are rear disc, which is nice. Yeah, you got no front brakes. If you understood us, but back there we were cruising about 55 miles an hour and revving at just under 3,000 RPM.
Yeah,
it's straight as an arrow.
Yeah, really. A windshield would be nice.
It would, but that's why.
Yeah.
I'm wearing the safety goggles, glasses.
And it would be easy to install.
It makes a nice flexi shield.
Yeah.
Well, a couple tabs are bolted on, but yeah. It's kind of nice having a little wind. It's a beautiful day for this.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Yeah. Perfect weather.
So we've been driving the Sandrail now for about 15-20 minutes.
Yeah.
And it does everything that it should do. This rail is turnkey, ready to enjoy.
Absolutely.
So
yeah, it starts, drives, handles just like it should. I mean, it's a no excuses classic Sandrail. And I mean, if you just want something cool to cruise around with on the weekends, go downtown, get some ice cream, or just go to your local cruising or even car show. I mean, this thing's, it's neat. People are gonna love looking at it.
Oh yeah.
The engine bay, I mean, it details out very well with all the polished accents on it. I mean, it's a great example of these Sandrails. I mean, if you're looking for something like this, you're gonna be hard pressed to find one that's this solid, that drives this well.
Yeah. So stay tuned to the walk around inspection. I mean, it has some nicks and scratches, but very well maintained Sandrail. So
yes,
stay tuned. So now that we're done with the test drive on this awesome 1959 Sandrail, we'll go ahead and do the walk around portion of the inspection video. The red metallic paint definitely was professionally done, but it does have a fair amount of scratches and chips like you would expect from a lightly used and loved Sandrail. So I'm not going to show you all the chips like we normally do. Just expect them to be kind of peppered throughout. But overall, I would say the paint itself is in very good to very good condition because of the chips. The frame itself is still in excellent condition. All the welds are very clean and intact. You got your Vinteg there. The steering column is very secure. See the diamond plate floorboards, in very good condition. And everything shows a little bit of age, but I mean, the rail was built in 1989.
By Baja Imports in Mishawaka,
yeah.
Here locally.
You got your front tires. All four tires are older tires, but the front, all four wheels are in very good condition. All the paint across the front suspension's in good condition. The chrome treatments to your steering components are in good condition. Got a little bit of just some slight age to them. But all the frame is nice and straight. You have one of the bigger flaws, got touched up paint. You got a nice cooler that's been added, and this ammunition box that's used kind of like a glove box. You got that super trap muffler if you don't like that open header.
Safety glasses, keep the bugs out of your eyes.
And then if you want to take some bottled water with you, I'm sure So you do have mirrors, and you do have 4 forward-facing lights. You do have running lights and brake lights in the rear. So you got padded bars. Both your seats are in good condition. You got the 4-point harnesses to keep you in there safe. Now the hand braking system could handle being rebuilt. It works okay. Like we said in the drive, all our gauges work. You don't have a lot of them, but you do have some gauges. The Hurst shifter.
Showing a little bit of age. I mean, everything kind of got some scratching down on the frame, down low by your handbrakes. Handbrakes are showing some age and surface rust on the levers.
But I mean, as you can see, there's a handful of chips here and there, but overall, for the age, it's in very good condition. And it's been lovingly maintained and used over the years. Most of your chrome, actually all your chrome on the engine is in good condition, showing just slight age. But it still shines nicely.
Yeah, it still polishes up very well. This is the original engine believed to be the original engine out of that 59 Volkswagen.
Type 1 1200 cc with the 88.
It was rebuilt probably about 18 years ago, and at the time upgraded with an 88 millimeter bore kit. Still single port.
And as you can see, you do have disc brakes in the rear only. No brakes up front. Got an aluminum gas tank.
You just have a couple stone chips and scratches. It just has been a joy, just lovingly maintained.
Yeah, 5 feet away, you hardly notice any of them.
No, it's just a good looking
Very good
rail.
condition. So now we've walked you around the buggy. I'll jump in it, fire it up, and show you some lights working.
Air box right now starts right up. Has an awesome sound out of that. I'll show you some lights working. There's your running lights, the brake lights. No turn signals in this bug. So running and brake is all you have in the rear. There's your headlights, crazy bright, and your auxiliary lights up top. So all your lights work just as they should.
So if you're in the market for a toy that you can go get ice cream or take to the dunes and have just an awesome weekend, you definitely want to take a close look at this awesome 1959 Sandrail, rock solid motorsport.